Global distribution and multi-region. Tokyo writes. London reads. New York updates. Same document. Same millisecond. Who wins? Your app just went global. Users in Asia. Users in Europe. Users in the Americas. Everyone expects single-digit millisecond reads. But you have one database region. Every request from Tokyo crosses the Pacific. 200 milliseconds of latency you can't optimize away. Cosmos DB lets you flip a switch and replicate your data to any Azure region. Reads become local. Writes can stay centralized or go multi-region. Let's see how it works. Every physical partition in Cosmos DB has 4 replicas. 1 leader handles writes. 3 followers serve reads. This is within a single region. When you add a second region, Cosmos replicates every partition to that region. Same for replica structure. Writes in the primary region are replicated asynchronously. Reads in the secondary region are served locally. The result? Sub 10 millisecond reads from any region you enable. 3 configurations. Single region, 1 write region, 1 read region. Simple, cheapest, 99.99% SLA. Multi-region reads, 1 write region, multiple read regions. Reads are local everywhere. Writes still go to 1 region. 99.999% SLA. Multi-region writes, every region accepts writes. Lowest latency for writes. But now you need conflict resolution. This is the most complex and most powerful option. Automatic failover happens when a region goes down. Cosmos DB detects the outage and promotes a read region to write region. The SDK automatically redirects traffic. You configure the failover priority, which region takes over first. Manual failover lets you test your disaster recovery plan. Trigger it from the portal or CLI. Zero data loss. The key, set your preferred regions list in the SDK so it knows where to redirect. Multi-region writes mean 2 regions can update the same document simultaneously. Cosmos DB offers 3 conflict resolution strategies. Last writer wins is the default. The document with the highest _TS timestamp wins. Simple but can silently drop writes. Custom resolution uses a stored procedure to merge conflicting versions. You write the merge logic. Async resolution pushes conflicts to a conflict feed. Your application reads and resolves them manually. Most teams use last writer wins. Financial applications need custom or async resolution. 4 replicas per partition. If one fails, the others continue serving requests. Leader election happens automatically within seconds. Enable availability zones to spread replicas across fault domains within a region. This protects against data center level failures. Combined with multi-region, you get protection against region-level outages too. The SLA ladder. Single region 99.99%. With availability zones 99.995%. Multi-region 99.999%. 2 backup options. Continuous backup gives you point-in-time restore. Go back to any second within the last 7 or 30 days. Self-service from the portal. This is what most teams should use. Periodic backup takes snapshots at configurable intervals. Cheaper but restore requires a support ticket. You can't self-serve. Decision framework. Use continuous for production workloads where you need fast self-service recovery. Use periodic for dev test environments where cost matters more than recovery speed. How does consistency work across regions? Session tokens. When a client writes in region A, it gets a session token. Pass that token to a read in region B, and Cosmos guarantees the read sees that write or newer. Without the token, the read might return stale data depending on your consistency level. In multi-region apps, propagate session tokens between services. The SDK handles this automatically within a single client instance. Across services, pass the token in headers. Every region you add multiplies your RU cost. 2 regions equals 2 times the RUs. 5 regions equals 5 times. Multi-region writes add an additional overhead for conflict detection. Write RUs cost more in multi-region write configurations. The optimization strategy. Use multi-region reads but single-region writes for most apps. Only enable multi-region writes when write latency from remote regions is unacceptable. Always calculate the cost before adding regions. Global distribution is a dial, not a rebuild. Single region for development. Multi-region reads for global apps. Multi-region writes for the most demanding workloads. For replicas per partition. Automatic failover. Session tokens for consistency. And always know the cost of each region you add. If this helped, consider subscribing. Practical Cosmos DB every week. How many regions does your production database span? Share your architecture in the comments. Next up, security and access control. Your connection string has the master key. Anyone with it has God mode access. There's a better way. Thanks for watching.